Here is how you can add transition in Premiere Pro. First, drag your clips into the timeline. Go to Effects panel and look for Video Transition. Here you can find multiple transitions. We will use Dissolve Transition. Drag Cross-Dissolve Transition in between your clip. It says Insufficient Media, the transition will contain repeated frames. Click OK. Let's see what this error does. As you can see, the frame is freeze in the end, the transition is not smooth. To fix this, first delete the transition by pressing Delete. Now select Razor tool and make a cut few frames before and after. Click Selection tool and now delete the part which is cut and combine two clips. Now apply transition again. Let's see. It's now working fine. You can use other transitions as per your liking. That's it. Thank you for watching.